is a shout out video for retards. If you were tagged, you're a retard. Don't worry, that's to be proud of. Go ahead.
Well, retards. I think you're pretty cool. I think you're pretty cool and mature.
Okay, retards. You're so retards. Ratchet, cool. Yeah,
It's special.
this is our special week. And of course, the duck face. And here you go.
Oh well. Retards, I think you're supposed to be proud of yourself. If you, if you tell it, I don't know if people call you a retard. Well, you need to be proud of yourself.
Because you know you like to be retarded, right? Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, so.
Oh my gosh.
What is that, Naomi?
I don't know. I just.
Oh. Oh well.
So yeah, I'm retarded to be proud of yourself because I'm a retard too myself, and I'm proud of that. Not like you, bitch.
Oh well, look. I am beautiful, gorgeous of myself, so I need to be proud of myself. Yeah.
Oh, my shoes? Oh, my phone?
Yeah, so yeah.
Retards, peace out.